Georgia, poor Georgia, hit a whole day through. Just this one sweet song keep Georgia on my mind.
After more than 5 months in Florida, we're finally in Georgia. On Saturday, April 30th, we departed Tiger Point Marina and Boatyard. Although we enjoyed Amelia Island, after 12 days of sitting still and paying out a bunch of money for boat repairs, we were glad to be back underway and continuing our travels north. We'd be traveling 31 miles up the ICW to Jekyll Island, where we hope to do a little exploring and some reprovisioning. We'd heard about the welcoming committee that might be waiting for us when we crossed the Georgia state line, and they were there all right. Luckily, we have a fully enclosed flybridge, no pun intended, and we were able to keep these vicious beasts out. After a smooth, uneventful ride, we arrived at Jekyll Harbor Marina. We had a snack, and I checked out our new prop shaft seal, which wasn't leaking a drop. There was an on-site restaurant at the marina, so we had dinner there that night. On Sunday, Sharon did laundry while I did weekly engine and battery checks. I also filled the water tanks and removed our propane tank so we could get it filled. We borrowed one of the free loaner golf carts, and we're hoping to get our propane tank filled, then go get some groceries. As it worked out, by the time we got the propane, it was time to return the golf cart. Monday, May 2nd, we had a short 9-mile trip to St. Simon's Island, where we'd be staying one night. We were able to borrow the marina's courtesy car and get our groceries restocked. After getting groceries put away, we went to dinner at the marina restaurant, Coastal Kitchen. On Tuesday morning, we discovered 2 muffins sitting outside our door, a daily tradition of this marina. At about 9:30, we left the dock and headed north on the ICW to an anchorage about 33 miles away. At about 2:45 p.m., we dropped anchor and called it a day. Okay. All right, put us in gear and head slowly out that way. Wednesday, May 4th was a long day, but everything went smoothly as we traveled 52 miles from our anchorage to Isle of Hope Marina on the outskirts of Savannah, Georgia. As soon as we got moving, we were once again surrounded by those green-headed flies, but our canvas and screens kept them out. I can't imagine running a boat through here with an open fly bridge. At the marina, we were able to take showers, then borrowed the marina's courtesy car to go to dinner at a nearby restaurant. We'd originally planned to spend 2 nights at Isle of Hope, but they had no room for us on Thursday night. So after a morning walk around the area, we traveled a short distance to Thunderbolt Marina. starboard dive. Thunderbolt Marina would be our last stop in Georgia. Friday, May 6th, we left Thunderbolt Marina and continued north on the ICW. Today would be a 20-mile run across the state line to South Carolina, where we'll be spending the weekend in Hilton Head at Palmetto Bay Marina with our friends and gold loopers, Debbie and Jeff. From here, we'll continue on our way north in the next episode.